Discover the intriguing reasons behind why some lawyers opt for wigs crafted from hemp, advocate for deceased fish in court, and abstain from shaking hands with their colleagues. Join us as we unveil some fascinating facts about the legal profession. 1. Lawyers can give legal counsel to fish. Not all defendants in a court of law are necessarily human. Back in 2010, Swiss lawyer Antoine Goetschel represented a deceased pike in court, arguing that the fish had suffered excessively during a 10-minute struggle to be landed after being hooked by an angler. The fisherman was later acquitted. In another instance, British environmental lawyer James Thornton has initiated legal actions against governments and corporations, with his sole client being Planet Earth. Among his triumphs is compelling the British government to release robust plans for the immediate combat against air pollution. 2. Barristers rarely shake hands with each other. And fist bumps are not on the table either. This reluctance to engage in hand contact is a long-standing legal tradition with roots reaching back centuries. While its origin story is somewhat unclear, one theory proposes a connection to a historical era resembling swashbuckling times, where shaking hands served as a gesture for gentlemen to demonstrate they weren't concealing a hidden sword or dagger. As barristers were considered morally superior to ordinary gentlemen, who might resort to covert weapon carrying, the practice of handshaking never gained traction, a tradition that endures to the present day. 3. You may encounter some truly bizarre laws. Were you aware that handling salmon in suspicious circumstances is against the law? Additionally, in England and Wales, you could face a £200 fine for being intoxicated in a pub. For more details, refer to Section 12 of the 1872 Licensing Act. Other quirky UK statutes encompass prohibitions on beating carpets on London streets, being inebriated while overseeing cattle, and taking a taxi while afflicted with the plague. 4. As a lawyer, you can challenge some of the more liberal rules. Employing legal expertise can be instrumental in challenging everyday discrimination, as demonstrated by lawyer Tess Gill. In collaboration with journalist Anna Coote, Gill took Fleet Street establishment El Vino to court in 1982 over its discriminatory policy prohibiting women from ordering drinks directly at the bar. Despite an initial loss, the absurd directive was eventually overturned by the Court of Appeal. In a more recent case, a collective effort by female lawyers, including Sherry Blair QC, an alumna of the University of Law, successfully campaigned to compel the male-only Garrett Club to admit women. 5. Lawyers' wigs are now made from hemp, not just horsehair. The horsehair wig, also known as a peruke, has been a long-standing feature in British courtrooms since the 17th century. Although no longer mandatory, wigs persist in criminal cases and appeals. Enter a novel alternative to horsehair, vegan lawyers' wigs crafted from hemp. These eco-friendly headpieces, biodegradable in nature, have been innovatively designed by barrister Samuel March. He distributes them through his company Hemp and Hemp, which he manages alongside his primary legal profession. 6. Dining out 12 times can help qualify you for the bar. Gaining the privilege of being called to the bar, permitting practice in courts, is a rigorous journey that entails extensive study, challenging exams, and participation in a minimum of 12 qualifying sessions. These sessions encompass lectures, training classes, and a unique component, attending formal dinners at the Four Inns of Court in London. These dinners not only contribute to the final assessment, but also serve as vocational gatherings, offering trainees opportunities to engage in conversations with lawyers and judges, gaining valuable insights into the profession. The popularity of these events among students is heightened by the presence of limitless wine and port. 7. Mundane things such as dead snails can lead to historic changes in the law. Discovering a deceased snail in a bottle of ginger beer might not seem like breaking news. However, the decomposed mollusk found by May Donoghue in her drink in Scotland in 1928 had far-reaching implications for consumer law. Following a bout of escargot-induced gastroenteritis, Donoghue initiated a legal challenge against the manufacturers, leading the House of Lords to establish that companies have a duty of care to consumers of their products. This landmark decision paved the way for modern negligence laws, offering protection to customers against defective products. 8. The lawroom is the perfect training ground for a comedic career. Whether facing a stern jury or navigating a room full of hecklers during a stand-up performance, there are striking similarities between the worlds of being a lawyer and a comedian. Perhaps this is why numerous comedians hold law degrees, including Rebel Wilson, John Cleese, the late Jerry Springer, Bob Mortimer, and Jeff Cohen, Chunk from the Goonies. Hollywood's litigious environment has even inspired some celebrities to embark on legal studies, as seen with Kim Kardashian, who, in her pursuit of becoming an attorney, has successfully passed her baby bar exam and expresses her aspirations to clear her final exams next year. 9. The metaverse needs lawyers. AI and the metaverse aren't just poised to benefit gamers, NFT enthusiasts, and Elon Musk. These innovations will also pave the way for job opportunities in the legal field. As corporations delve into the virtual realm, safeguarding intellectual property rights, patents, trademarks, and preventing digital imitations will become crucial, ensuring a busy workload for legal teams. In the years ahead, the regulation of driverless vehicles, cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and green energy innovations will further contribute to the creation of new roles for lawyers in the tech industry. 10. You don't need to study a law degree if you want to be a lawyer. It is feasible to become a solicitor or barrister even if you hold a non-law undergraduate degree, although a law-related postgraduate qualification will be necessary. The University of Law, the UK's largest legal education provider, offers BA and BSc courses in criminology, business management, and policing, providing a solid foundation for a legal career. Alternatively, pursuing a law degree doesn't solely lead to a legal profession. The research, analysis, and critical skills acquired can open doors to opportunities in fields such as technology, finance, and advertising/PR. Notably, figures like Barack Obama, Hillary Clinton, and Nelson Mandela have demonstrated how a law degree can also pave the way to a career in politics. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of intriguing facts about the legal profession. If you found this information engaging, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow legal enthusiasts. For more captivating content, subscribe to our channel and be sure to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.